Hey guys, it's Drew here. Today we're going to talk about cleaning your microwave with lemon. So, a lot of you probably are trying to Google how to clean your microwave. Now, I thought about using this stuff. No, that can actually be pretty toxic from what I understand, because the fumes can stay inside your microwave while you're cooking. So, I Googled it, and a lot of people said use vinegar and water. And some said just use lemons. Well, I've got lemons because I make a lot of lemonade. So I saw a couple videos where they only used 2 little tiny slices instead of a whole lemon. You know, why waste a whole lemon? I usually make lemonade afterwards. So we've got a bowl of water here, and we've got our lemon slices. So we're going to drop these in here. We're going to see if this works. Guys, this is the grossest microwave you've ever seen. It probably is one of the world's grossest microwaves. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready? There's something growing in my microwave. Ready? This is disgusting. Okay, so you got your standard grease, and then you got some kind of blue fungus. It's really, really, really nasty. I'm scared about that, so that's especially what I'm doing. This is about 5 years, this is about 8 years worth of nasty stuff. They just haven't cleaned. But I cook eggs in my microwave, and sometimes the egg will explode, and I have a feeling that's what that blue stuff is the more I nuke it. But yeah, that almost looks radioactive. That is not fake. I did not fake this. That is real blue, and it's probably really dangerous. I don't know. I've never seen blue mildew before, or blue fungus, or blue mildew. That's scary. So we're going to try to get rid of this. But anyway, that's a result of an egg exploding. So here we go. We're going to put it in. And a lot of the people online say do it for 5 minutes. You put it in there for 5 minutes. And keep in mind that bowl is going to get really, really hot. So you put it in for 5 minutes. And I've got a 5-minute express cook button there. And what you're going to do also is wait for the bowl to cool down another 5 minutes. You want the steam from that bowl to vaporize in there and get rid of all that. It sort of causes a shower effect inside, and hopefully it'll work. Okay guys, so I'm going to put on my hazmat suit here, and we're going to wipe down some of this and see if it comes off. 5 minutes in there, boil these lemons up good. It smells great. So I just got a paper towel here. We're going to wipe along here and see if this works. Well, that's some pretty stuck on grease right there, so it doesn't seem to be doing that. Because on these videos it shows also now the grease here on the window seems to work pretty good. Oh, try to get that. So there, on the ceiling there, yeah, a little bit's coming off. Yeah, I mean it's some of this stuff is really stuck on here. But it's working a little bit, so I guess you're supposed to remove this, obviously. That's the spot right there. So for that, what we might do, a paper towel, is just dab it in the lemon water and see if that'll help. This is boiling water, so you can be careful there. Just gonna wipe it over there. Oh man, look at that. It made a lemon cleaner. So not just the steam, but the lemon juice in the water itself cleans. So, okay. So it does look like that. Once you get it in there, you got your own lemon cleaner. And it's a safe way to clean the microwave. And I gotta tackle that blue stuff there. That's scary. I might put on my heavy gloves for that. Alright guys, well, so this does work, and you don't need to use a whole lemon. I guess if you wanted more concentrated, you could. I just used 2 slices of lemon, and the water itself is actually what does it, the steam. You make sort of a solution that gets out. But anyway, so you're using a natural cleaner for your microwave because that's where your food is. And if you use 409, your food's probably going to get 409 residue in there. And you know, I've only cleaned a microwave a couple times. I'm pretty terrible, but I've used 409 in the past, and I can only wonder what kind of stuff that's caused me. Maybe that's why I am the way I am. I'll show you guys a video after I've gotten it all cleaned. I'm not going to clean it here while we're watching, but it does take the stuff off. So let's see what it looks like when it's done with just lemon juice and water. 5 minutes in the microwave, steamed up. So guys, does it work? The answer, yes. That is one clean microwave. I just want to remind you, remember when you take this bowl out, even if you wait the 5 minutes once it's already boiled, there's all that blue stuff in there. It's boiling hot, boiling hot. You can scald yourself, you can severely injure yourself. Even so, you microwaved it for 5 minutes, you're gonna leave it in there for 5 minutes, even wait longer after that to take this out. Make sure you have something like a towel or something. Do not touch the bowl, it will burn you. But yeah, that is one clean microwave. And all I used was a scrubber brush and this lemon, 2 little lemon slices. So I didn't have to use a whole lemon. If you want to recycle, use lemons for something else. And then now, as far as disinfecting goes, I don't think lemon juice disinfects. So I think that's where the vinegar comes in. And you also put vinegar in a bowl, or some people, I guess, mix the vinegar and the lemon juice. And then there's that silly little thing, the little angry lady thing that spins around in your microwave that was an as seen on TV. That's basically you put the vinegar and the lemon juice in there and it spins around and it steams up your microwave. So I don't have one of those. It'd be interesting to buy one or try one. But I just did the scrubbing myself. It didn't just fall off, but that blue stuff's gone. I'm pretty happy about that. That was scary. Yeah, and now it's probably time to clean my stove. You guys who watch my channel know that I'm not the cleanest person in the world. So, again, it does work. And obviously those videos are out there that show that. Lemon juice, just slices of lemon in a bowl. And 5 minutes on high. And watch out for the boiling water. And you've got a clean microwave without using harsh chemicals. If you use harsh chemicals, you're probably going to eat those anyway. So, oh, I'm so happy we rated that blue stuff. Okay, guys, well, if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. If you're my subscriber and you're watching this, thanks. AR, I'm sure you got a kick out of that blue crap that was on the top of my microwave. Like I said, that's from an exploding egg. And it's probably sat there for 6 or 7 years. So, another thing, if you cook eggs in the microwave, make sure you cover them with a plate because they'll explode. Alright guys, this is Drew with Drew's Quick Fix and Hacks. Thank you for watching, and I have a clean microwave and I'm happy about it.